Password reset not sending email on Mercury Fix. You've tried resetting your password on Mercury, but no email ever lands in your inbox. Frustrating, right? Most people assume the platform is broken, but the surprising truth is that it's usually a small email delivery issue and totally fixable in minutes. Start by checking your spam or junk folder. Mercury's reset emails typically come from no-reply-mercury.com. Because they contain secure links, many email providers automatically flag them. Use your inbox search and look up Mercury or password reset to make sure it's not buried somewhere. Next, make sure you're using the correct login email, the same one registered to your Mercury business account. If you use multiple emails for your startup or company, even one wrong character will prevent the reset link from sending. If you're sure it's correct, at Mercury, come to your safe sender list, then resend the password reset link. Wait a few minutes, don't hit the reset button repeatedly, since that can cancel older links. Still nothing? Try using a different device or clearing your browser cache. You can also switch from mobile to desktop. Sometimes autofill or cookie errors can interfere with the process. If your company uses a custom email domain, check with your administrator. Many corporate firewalls block automated banking messages by default. Whitelisting Mercury.com usually solves this instantly. If none of these steps work, reach out to Mercury support through their website or app. Their team can manually verify your account and trigger a password reset email. Most users think the issue is technical, but in reality, it's just a delivery or email mismatch problem. Once fixed, your reset message should arrive right away, helping you get back into your Mercury dashboard and running your business finances smoothly.